Radiaplexrx Gel is used to protect skin ulcers, burns, or wounds from irritation so that the skin can heal properly. It can also help relieve itching and pain from various skin conditions. The gel contains hyaluronate, which is a natural substance found in your body and works by forming a protective layer over the affected area. It is recommended to apply a thin layer of the gel to the affected area 1 to 3 times a day, or as directed by your doctor. The best time to apply the gel is after cleaning the affected area and patting it dry. When using Radiaplexrx Gel, make sure to only apply it on the skin. Before and after each use, remember to wash your hands if you use your hands to apply the gel. Clean the affected area as directed by your doctor before applying a thin layer of the medication to the affected areas of skin, usually 2 to 3 times daily. If your product is a liquid suspension, be sure to shake the container well before each use. The frequency of applying the medication depends on your medical condition and response to treatment. It's important to use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it, so try to use it at the same times each day to help you remember. If your condition does not improve or if it worsens, be sure to inform your doctor. Your doctor has prescribed Radiaplexrx Gel because they believe the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Although very rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed, contact your doctor or pharmacist. For medical advice about side effects in the U.S., call your doctor or report to FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, call your doctor or report to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Radiaplexrx Gel, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. Discuss your medical history with your healthcare provider before using this medication. If you are planning to have an MRI test, it is important to let the testing personnel know that you are using Radiaplexrx Gel. Some brands of this medication may contain metals that could cause burns during an MRI, so it is important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about your specific brand. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is not known if this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Radiaplexrx Gel, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. Certain disinfectants, like benzalkonium chloride, may interact with this medication. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist to prevent any potential interactions. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone takes too much and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Remember, it's crucial to keep this medication out of reach of children and pets to avoid accidental ingestion. Remember, it's important not to share this medication with others to prevent the spread of infection. This gel has been prescribed specifically for your current skin condition, so be sure not to use it for any other condition unless directed by your doctor. Some versions of this medication may include additional ingredients like aloe vera or allantoin, which can help moisturize and soothe the affected area. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more information. If you forget to use Radiaplexrx Gel at the scheduled time, use it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, it's better to just wait for the next dose. Avoid taking a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Radiaplexrx Gel at room temperature. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless you are specifically told to do so. When it's expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard this product. If you're unsure about how to do this, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.